Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn Microsoft Excel errors, and let us dive into the video, and by the end of the video you all will be able to know what a Microsoft Excel error is, and you'll also be able to explain to another person. So let us start. So Microsoft Excel errors are in form of hash like this one. There is an error here. So when we want to correct the error, we shall come here and highlight, put our cursor there. We shall either double click there or we shall left click and we drag that line to correct that error. So there the error is corrected. Here we can see our salary clearly. We can see the payment clearly. The next error we are going to look at is the hash value error. The hash value error comes about like when you put in the wrong data type. That's when you see the hash value error. So for instance, let us put here equals, and let's say we use the cell C2 minus cell D2, and we press enter. So here the value has come and we can autofill it. So let us left click and we drag it down. That is our result that we have got. So the hash value comes in about like when you, after doing this and you enter in some other wrong data type, let's say missing here, and here you also type missing, you can see what has come on the screen. Here we also put missing. So that is what we call a hash value error, and you can correct this error by using some data correction functions, or you can use error handling functions to correct it. So let us also see another form of error. Another form of error, which is a hash name error. Hash name error comes about when hash name error comes about when you type in the wrong function. So let's see it here. Let's bring our plus sign here. Then we press equals. Then let us put unique. Put our unique here. Then you can come and highlight this. You can either highlight this, the whole of it, but here we have seen the hash name. So the hash name error comes in when you've put in a wrong function. So this has come as a result of the wrong function that we entered. That is what a hash error looks like. So another form of error that we are going to see is hash div error. Hash div error comes about when you divide a number by 0. When you divide a number by 0. So let us undo this. Let us undo this thing that we have done here. Let us undo it, and we see what a hash div looks like. So we press an equal sign, then we put in the cell. Let us say we are going to divide cell C2 by let's put division sign and we divide it with this. Then we shall press enter. So it has brought for us the value after the division. So let us autofill to see. So here on the screen we are seeing what a hash div error looks like. The hash div error comes about when you divide a value with 0. That's when you're going to see a hash div error. So you can correct this hash div error by using error handling formulas to correct it. And we also have other forms of errors, like we have the hash NA error, we have the hash spell error, we also have the formatting issues errors, and all these errors can be solved by using specific functions and the error handling can use error handling. We can use error handling functions, or we can use data checking functions. That is how we correct these errors. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if the video is helpful, you can watch it with your friends. You can share with your friends so that they can also learn from it. Thank you once again. See you in our next video.